Are you one of the 60% of Americans that have been laid off or forced into early retirement? I was one of those people 2 years ago at the age of 56, currently 58, going to be 60 way too soon. And in this video, I'm going to teach you my strategy to navigate this situation in life so that you can go from a burnout life to a beautiful life. But I am Casey Ann Reynolds. I am a behavior change specialist, a health coach, and certified personal trainer in the Nashville area. I make videos to help you increase your health, wealth, and happiness. If you're interested in these topics, hit subscribe, like, and notify, and put some comments below what your retirement experience is like or what you are anticipating for your retirement experience. Yuki, he almost died. He almost died 2 weeks ago. It was very expensive. Please watch all the way to the end of the video. It really helps me to get monetized for my diva cat. He's doing fine now, but yeah, he's a diva. Ago in 2023, I saw a sign for a hospitality fair. Now, mind you, I had worked in the hospitality industry for about 10 years and third generation. So I'm like, I hate my job. I hate my 9-to-5 job. I mean, like, it's killing me, like literally killing me. My blood pressure was like 200 over 100. I was getting panic attacks every day at work. It was 5 jobs. And so I switched. Already, so that was my very first step. Number one is I just went ahead and retired. I mean, I don't get much for a teaching pension. It's a little bit till the age of 100. That's how long I'm planning to live. But still, you know, that was a big leap of faith. So getting out of that toxic teaching job has made the world of difference in my life and in my health and my number 2 was my second career. And whatever your second career may be, you need to watch my video because that's kind of, you have to explore that. It's going to be different for every single person, right? It's going to be different. But the thing is, if you've been successful in the white collar world and they're like, boom, Soylent and Green. I'm so happy at least they're not eating us, but they did kick us off the work island. Yeah, you're off the work island. You are not getting back on. And if you're delusional and you're one of those people like, it's never going to happen to me. Friends, at least 60% of people over the age of 50 are going to experience this. And by the time you're 60, it's probably 99%. So if you believe that lie that's not going to happen to you, have fun with that one. It's going to happen to you. But anyhow, you know, start a second career. I say the earlier, the better. Number 3, this is what I'm getting ready to do right this minute, is be your own business. Launch our own business. Okay. Oh, maybe we have figured out we were lied to. Yeah, just a little bit. And who benefited from the lies? Probably all the people, the college presidents and such like that running these colleges. But, you know, if you had just gone into heat and air repair and started your own business instead of been in the corporate world, you would still have your business right now. Yeah, you wouldn't be in the situation you were at. So we were lied to. Okay, we were lied to. Well, let's make amends. Let's start our own small business, particularly catering to the people that actually fired us. I know, it's so funny how that works. They want us in their homes. We're safe, we're reliable. They knew us. They fired us just a couple weeks ago. Come be my gardener. Come be my, gosh, I'm so sorry. Yuki was having a hissy fit with the feral tomcat that roams the neighborhood. But, oh yeah, we want you in our home, but just not for a corporation anymore. But honey, we'll pay you big money. So start your small business. Start that small business. You'll be amazed how much money you're going to make, and is learning. I am a big follower of Dr. Amen. He has changed my life, and I actually got rid of my Netflix, and I don't have a TV. I haven't had for like about 7 or 8 years. Learning. You need to keep learning because it's going to help you with your small business. Like I have had to in my YouTube business, I've had to so many times change a niche. I've had to do this, I've had to do that, learn new skills. And so learning becomes an essential, critical aspect of that. So I spend an hour every day learning, which I did find out that all the most successful people in this world do that. Yuki. I know he's being such a diva, sorry. Learning is so important. You need to spend at least an hour a day, particularly if you watch all the way to the end of the video, for number 8. And number 5 is creative passions. So my creative passion is my YouTube channel. It's just something I love and enjoy. You have to find something over the age of 50 that is your creative passion. Hopefully make money of it, but if you can't, at least it's helping you live a longer, healthier life. Just pursue your creative passion. That's super important as we get older to help our brain navigate so we don't get Alzheimer's or dementia. Turn the Netflix off and pursue your creative. Swedish death cleaning or drastic downsizing. So part on debt, buy a big mansion, buy, be a cat, right? Consume, consume, and consume. Guess what? It was all a lie. It's got you trapped. You are now on a hamster wheel of debt and you can't get off of it. And are you any more happy? No, you're not more happier. If you actually looked at like Instagram, that was created to make people unhappy. Yeah, to compare you. It's all about jealousy and such like that. So jump off before it's too late. You know, you think about the rats on the Titanic. Boom, jump off. You need to jump off and practice some drastic downsizing. Like even this weekend, I am going to drastically downsize my closet. I looked at my closet and go, oh, that's a cute top. Oh, I don't want to lose that. Everything's gone. I don't need it. I need like my workout clothes and PJs. Uniforms are at work, they launder them for me, and then maybe 10 cute outfits that I go out. That's all I need. Debt-free living. Again, consumerizing, that caterpillar. This is what the whole the world economy is based upon, just forcing us to feel inadequate and jealous. Watch my next video. And so we just consume, consume, and consume. And then all of a sudden we're in so much debt up to our eyeballs. And then boom, I thought I could work. I've heard people say this a million times. Well, I was just planning to work to be 70 and boom, didn't work out, did it? What are you gonna do now? You can't work till 70. They kicked you off the work island at 52, at the very latest, 58. They're just, boom, done with you. But you have so much debt and it's so overwhelming. So what can you do? So this is actually a video for younger people. Stop doing the credit card debt. Just get yourself into that debt-free living. Don't believe in consumerism. Be a butterfly and not a caterpillar. Number 8, that was a special one for the end. And this is where I especially need some comments. So, you know, I'm just looking at how it is in America to retire for my generation, which it's not good. It is so not good right now. So I think a lot of us, there's unfortunately going to be the very sad people, which unfortunately it's like even professional people who are kind of like forced to live in their cars. There's so many videos about how to make your car into a home. Yeah, that's not a good sign. But I think we are going to be doing some flex padding, like living overseas for a couple months, or maybe permanently living overseas, or even doing an RV, or doing a tiny home, or doing like, the storage containers, whatever it is, we are gonna MacGyver our retirement. And if we don't do that drastic downsizing, if we don't start this process early, like in our early 50s, you are gonna be in a world of hurt. So instead of traveling the world and living in different people's homes and having a really good retirement, you're gonna be living in a storage container in Omaha, Nebraska. I know you have that choice. You have to make that choice right this moment. If you're in your early 50s, be debt free. Stop being a caterpillar. Yeah, you can do it. And start your own business. You can do it. I love you, friends. And I'm hoping you will watch my next video, how I was able to go from a toxic teaching job into the hospitality industry and actually making 6 figures right this moment. Yeah, the IRS took way too much of my money today. I did my taxes. So watch that video, and I hope it helps you to have peace, love, and joy.